quarters of declines. Live cattle were back in the green on Monday after some heavy fund liquidation last week. Ag-Day's Michelle Rook has more in markets now.
Well, grains closing mostly lower on Monday with the exception of the corn market. Tom Fitzenmeyer is with us with analysis. Corn held up really well on Monday. So was that market just still trading some of these strong demand fundamentals going into the WASDE report on Tuesday?
Yeah, I don't think there's any doubt. They're looking, I mean, the average trade guess is for a 20 million bushel drop in the carryout again. I think a lot of people believe that exports have been good enough there's a good chance you could see the USDA bump exports a little bit. Some even feel that maybe ethanol will get bumped, although that one I guess I wouldn't feel as strongly about. But I think the expectation for a little bit of friendliness tomorrow or on Tuesday morning is probably what's going to or did support the corn market relative to soybeans and meal.
If we get a 1.5 billion bushel ending stocks number on corn or below, is that enough to get corn to close above the $5 mark?
It may very well be. I mean, the funds are already hold a substantially long position, but every time that it's broken, they've been certainly willing to sit in and support those positions. And I'd guess, yeah, a sub 1.5 carryout would probably propel us up above 5, and you know that sets us up for that last high we had around 508, 508.5.
And soybeans and meal, we've got more favorable weather. So were we taking out maybe Argentina weather premium?
There's a bunch of stuff in soybeans. I mean, the Brazilian crop, that's one of the reasons I think beans are down a bit is because I think there's an expectation that the Brazilian soybean crop is going to be bumped a little bit in the report. Probably going to drop the Argentine crop a little bit, but yeah, ample supplies. It just really makes it hard for the soybeans to go anywhere. And I don't think anybody thinks there's going to be much change in their export expectation or their export number or their crush number in the report either.
And then wheat fell. Was that the strength of the dollar or just some profit taking?
That's just profit. Wheat's not going anywhere.
Thanks so much, Tom Fitzenmeyer with Summit Commodity Brokerage. We'll have more Ag Day coming up.
Watch Markets Now with Michelle Rook on the Farm Journal YouTube channel, keeping you updated throughout the day on the markets at the open, midday, and close. Find out what moved the markets today and what to expect the market to do next.